got a PDF with a table stuck inside it, and you need that data out fast? Oh, Claude can pull it out clean, and I'll show you exactly how in the next 2 minutes. All right, so I've got this sales report PDF. It's got a table on page 1 with regions, sales reps, revenue numbers, all that. Let me show you how to pull it out. First, click the attachment icon here and upload your PDF. Okay, File's in. Now I'm just asking Claude to pull the table on page 1 into a clean format. Simple, direct. And look at that. It reads the page visually and gives you back a clean, organized table. Region, sales rep, units, revenue, all there. Now here's the one thing I always do. Spot check a few of the numbers against the original PDF. Claude's really accurate, but it's worth a quick look, especially if your PDF has funky formatting. Okay, so now, what if you actually need a file you can open in Excel? Here's how you do it. Go to Settings and make sure File Creation is turned on. That's the feature that lets Claude actually build downloadable files for you. Now back in the chat, same PDF is still uploaded so I can just follow up. I'm asking Claude to extract this into an Excel file, and there it is, a downloadable Excel file ready to go. Click it, open it up, and your table is right there in a proper spreadsheet. Clean columns, all your data ready to work with. So 2 things to remember. Claude handles PDF tables really well because it reads the page visually. And always do a quick spot check on the numbers. Accuracy depends on how clean your original PDF is, but 9 times out of 10, it nails it. That's it. 2 minutes, table extracted, file downloaded. Try it with your own PDF.